A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall start with lesson number 2, which is accounting concepts. As I have told you in lesson number 1, that accounting is basically language. Language used to communicate the results of a business to its various users. The results of a business enterprise are calculated and evaluated on the basis of certain methods and principles. These methods and principles are adopted and followed by all the business enterprise of the world. But imagine if each business adopts its own methods and principles to maintain its account books, then what will happen? This would lead to a big confusion in the business world because each and every business will have or will follow their own or separate methods or principles, and thus the information summarized through these results will not be reliable and comparable. Therefore, to make financial statements meaningful, acceptable, comparable, and reliable, universally accepted set of rules of accounting based on GAAP, that is, generally accepted accounting principles, are followed. Rules of accounting issued by GAAP are universally accepted. That means business anywhere around the world has to follow the same rules which some other business in some other country or place is adopting. Thus, what is these rules or concepts? These are the basic ideas or theories on why and how certain transactions should be treated in a particular manner. The various rules or concepts are: first, business entity concept. As per business entity concept, owner and the business, they both are treated as two different entities. Therefore, when you record transactions are recorded from the viewpoint of business, not from the viewpoint of its owner. Therefore, capital contributed or introduced by the businessman in his own business is treated as the liability of the company, because business and owner, they both are considered separate, and it is the responsibility or duty of the business to return the capital of the businessman. Second concept is money measurement concept. According to the money measurement concept, only those transactions are recorded which can be expressed or measured in terms of money. Transactions which cannot be measured or evaluated on the terms of money are not recorded, even if how important they are. For example, honesty of an employee or employees is very crucial for a company. Since this factor cannot be evaluated on the basis of money, it is not recorded. Similarly, a business has to face a lot of competition in the market. But since competition cannot be evaluated in terms of money, it is not recorded. The third rule or concept is accounting period. In the very beginning, I said that business or businessman records transaction so that the businessman can come to know the profit or loss earned or suffered, and financial position of the business. Therefore, when does a businessman calculate the profit earned or losses incurred? Business has to report the results of the activity undertaken in a specific period. This period is predetermined and is built into the system. Therefore, a business generally starts or has a financial year beginning from 1st of April and ends on 31st March of the next year. The rest concept we will be doing tomorrow. Thank you.